Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on Amazon ECS Anywhere. So this lecture will contain all these topics. What is Amazon ECS Anywhere? Why should I use ECS Anywhere? ECS Anywhere support, typical workflow, mix and match compute types, ECS task definition flexibility, ECS Anywhere connectivity requirements, and service integrations. So what is Amazon ECS Anywhere? Amazon ECS Anywhere enables you to run and manage container-based applications on-premises, including on your own virtual machines, VMs, and bare metal servers. With ECS Anywhere, there is no need to install or operate local container orchestration software, which significantly reduces operational overhead. ECS Anywhere provides a completely managed solution that allows you to standardize container management across all of your environments, both on-premises and in the cloud. Amazon ECS Anywhere is a feature of Amazon ECS, extending its capabilities to on-premises infrastructure and enabling a hybrid container management approach. So why should I use ECS Anywhere? Amazon ECS is a fully managed and highly scalable container orchestration solution that allows you to run container-based applications on various compute capacities, including AWS Fargate, AWS Graviton-powered instances, and on-premises servers. ECS Anywhere extends Amazon ECS reach by providing a single management interface for all container-based applications, regardless of their running environment, ensuring a consistent experience for cluster management, workload scheduling, and monitoring across cloud and on-premises setups. With ECS Anywhere, there is no need to install or maintain container orchestration software, eliminating the requirement for specialized knowledge and skills in disparate tooling. ECS Anywhere offers flexibility for running applications in on-premises environments for as long as needed. The service facilitates easy cloud migration, allowing you to move your applications to the cloud with a single click whenever you are ready. So ECS Anywhere support. So this one is which platforms and operating systems are supported by ECS Anywhere. So first one is ECS Anywhere supports various platforms, including virtual machines, VMs, running on VMware, Microsoft Hyper-V or OpenStack, as well as bare metal servers. ECS Anywhere is compatible with several operating systems, specifically the long-term support LTS releases of Amazon Linux 2, Ubuntu, RHEL, SUSE Linux, Debian, CentOS, and Fedora. The ECS agent, which enables the host to connect with ECS control plane, is supported and tested for these LTS releases, ensuring compatibility and reliable performance across different operating systems. So this is a typical workflow. So first you should have a internet connection. So this is one of the requirement that you should have a stable internet connection. Second, you will log into ECS management console. So we are using ECS service, even though we are talking about ECS Anywhere, but we'll use the same ECS service. Then we will get an activation key, and with one activation key you can register up to 1000 virtual machines or servers, and you can generate multiple keys can be generated or created. Next, you install ECS agent on VMs and servers. So basically what we are doing is we are using the same Amazon ECS service, but instead of using the hardware which is provided by AWS, we can use our own hardware which can be on premises or on different environment like OpenStack or Hyper-V. So we install the ECS agent on those virtual machines and servers, and this is a open source agent which is available on GitHub. Then you configure your installation with the activation key, and you have to specify an AWS region, and after that servers becomes available in ECS clusters. So from that, the same ECS service, Amazon ECS service which we are using, we should be able to see our operating systems or these servers which we have registered. So these are our own hardware, and then from that point onwards servers are ready for ECS task scheduling. mix and match compute types. And ECS clusters can support multiple compute types simultaneously, including on-premises compute, EC2 instances, and Fargate. This mixed compute setup enables seamless migration capabilities, allowing workloads to be moved from on-premises environments to AWS EC2 instances or Fargate in an AWS region. The key benefits of this approach include easy workload migration and future-proofing, providing flexibility for potential cloud transitions or hybrid deployments as needed. So when you start, you can start with on-premises hardware and you install the ECS agent, but you will be using the interface provided by Amazon ECS. You can start managing it from there, and slowly or gradually you can move to Amazon ECS provided hardware, basically EC2 compute, which is supported by that. So you can mix and match. So it's a hybrid approach. So you can continue to migrate completely from on-prem to cloud, or you can have some kind of like a 50-50 split hardware setup, or you can continue to use your on-premises environment 100%. So ECS task definition flexibility. ECS task definitions can be used universally across on-premises environments, Fargate, and EC2 instances, allowing for single definition to be applied in multiple computing environments. So in ECS, the tasks are scheduled using something called as task definition, and these are uniform or universal across all three environments. So we don't have to do any specific configuration or setup or code to make it work with different type of environment. So all three are supported without any changes required to the code or the config. An ECS task definition serves as a specification for a group of containers that must run co-located, defining the characteristics and requirements for the containerized application. The cross-environment compatibility of ECS task definitions enable users to create a single definition that is adaptable to different compute options, including on-premise, Fargate, and EC2. And this promotes flexibility and consistency across diverse infrastructure setups. So ECS Anywhere connectivity requirements. So one important thing, ECS Anywhere is not supported for air-gapped or disconnected environments, as these isolated setups are not supported by the service. So I will talk why it's not supported. ECS is a cloud-based solution that resides in an AWS region, offering fully managed container orchestration capabilities. Because it's a cloud-based solution, and internet connectivity is required for ECS Anywhere to function properly. On-premises compute resources need a stable internet connection to communicate with ECS control plane, which is located in AWS region. So this is what it means. Air gap is usually something, some environments, let's say military grade or something, where they will not allow any internet connectivity. But let's say you have your servers on premises, those agents or the servers via those agents have to connect to Amazon ECS service. So that connectivity needs stable and all the time. But if you don't have that kind of connectivity available for some clients, you cannot use ECS Anywhere feature. Okay, next is service integrations. ECS Anywhere integrates with CloudWatch to provide comprehensive monitoring capabilities, including metrics for clusters and services, a log driver for container logs, and event stream for monitoring cluster events. ECS Anywhere supports fine-grained access control to AWS resources through the use of task IAM roles and task execution roles, enabling secure and controlled access for containerized applications. And that's all. Thanks for watching.